Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we're covering the step-by-step guide on how to start an LLC in Michigan. We'll walk you through the benefits, the steps to get started, and the key requirements to help you launch your business. Plus, if you'd rather have someone else handle the complete process for you, skip ahead to the end of this video. I'll share a special offer where you can form your LLC for just $39 with Northwest Registered Agent, saving you both time and money. Now let's jump right into step 1. And now, step number 1, choosing your LLC name. First, let's pick a name for your Michigan LLC. It's important to choose a name that fits your brand and is compliant with Michigan's naming rules. Your LLC must include limited liability company or an abbreviation like LLC. Avoid words that suggest you're a government agency or that you're offering services like banking or insurance, as those require special licenses. To make sure your chosen name isn't already taken, you can use Michigan's free online business name search tool, just like this one right here that you are seeing. I'll be leaving a link in the description so that you'd be able to go here easily and use this tool. Once you've confirmed the name is available, it's also a good idea to secure the domain for your website. Even if you're not ready to build it just yet, it's a good idea to secure it early. And now, step number 2, appointing a registered agent. Next, you'll need to appoint a registered agent. This person or business will receive legal documents on behalf of your LLC. Your registered agent must have a physical address in Michigan. No PO boxes allowed. You can act as your own registered agent, but keep in mind that your name and address will become public record. If you prefer to keep your privacy intact, you can hire a registered service like Northwest Registered Agent for only $39. They will serve as your registered agent and provide you with free agent services for an entire year. Plus, they'll upload your mail so you can access it online at any time. And now, step number 3, file your articles of organization. Next, it's time to file your articles of organization with the Michigan's Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs, or LARA. This step officially forms your LLC and includes details like your LLC's name, its purpose, and registered agent's information. You can file either by mail or online with a filing fee of $50. Filing online is quicker and easier. If you're a veteran, you may be eligible to file for free. Don't forget to check out the veteran fee waiver on the LARA website. And now, step number 4, create an operating agreement. While not required by Michigan, it's highly recommended to create an LLC operating agreement. This document outlines how your LLC will be run, the roles of each member, and how decisions will be made. It's essential for preventing future disputes, showing lenders and investors how your business is structured. To help you out, we've included a free operating agreement template in the links below. And lastly, step number 5, getting your EIN. Finally, you'll need your EIN, or Employer Identification Number, from the IRS. This number is like a social security number for your business, allowing you to open a business bank account, file taxes, and hire employees. The best part, getting an EIN is completely free and takes only a few minutes through the IRS website. So now, to wrap up, once your LLC is formed, there are a few more things to keep in mind. You'll need to file a Michigan annual report each year by February 15th, which costs $25. Also, make sure to keep your personal and business finances separate. This will help you protect your personal assets if your business faces any legal trouble. You can do that with an LLC. And don't forget about the business insurance and building your business credit. You'll find resources for this in the description below. And that's it. You now know how to start an LLC in Michigan. If you'd like a hassle-free experience, check out Northwest Registered Agent for just $39. Click the link in the description to get started today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching.